We are going to the lake. No, we're not. We're going to the creek. Because it's a beautiful day. Look at this. Look at this beautifulness. So we are now at the park, enjoying this wonderful day, taking dogs for a walk. And they didn't throw up on the way, so I'm happy. I love this park. So great. Very beautiful. Danger! Cliffs and slippery rocks. Stay behind fence. Check. Do you like it here, Jenna? You're laying down for some reason. You did very well today. No puking. Chester. Oh, there you go again. The tree fell down. That's crazy. That is a lot of water this year. Oh my gosh. It certainly rained a lot. Look at that tree. And you might think we would go up these steps, but no, haha. We're going into the little wood spot. Secrets. Chester, look at you. He didn't like it. Jenna, come on. Somebody is a litter bug. Littering the beach. Is there a sandwich in there? That's just disgusting. I think there might be. The river has done a lot of damage
I want to bring Jenna
to this river. Oh, swimming, swimming!
Good girl!
She's like, don't make me do it again. Chester! Dude, stop it. Don't make me.
Good girl!
Aw, baby. Oops, another pee break. Don't worry about it, man. You own your park. You own this park now. Don't have to worry about peeing anymore. You're done, dude. They say this camera has splash-proof quality. It's not completely waterproof, but splash-proof. So I'm gonna stick it in the water just for fun. Okay, where are these dogs? Brown dogs. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's gonna be quick. Here we go. We're gonna enjoy this. Chester, please. Wow. No! This camera is definitely the best camera in the world. I love it. I love it a lot. Chester, it's not like you're alone. I'm right here with you, dude. She's just up the way a little bit. Oh, Jenna. Hiding behind the logs. You got yourself stuck already. All wound up. Chester, she'll be back. Okay, here we go for another dunking. This, oh wait 1 second. Okay, second ducking, here we come. 1, 2, 3. That's really remarkable. I'm impressed. I'm seriously impressed with this. Chester, they're not that far away. Give them a break. And you better be careful, Misty May. You be careful, you maniac. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Fred. Faithful dog longing for his master. That's pretty dangerous there. Listen to me, I'm an overprotective parent. Oh my gosh. If you skew yourself, I'll get it on tape. Wow, you are like a gymnast or something. If you want to.
Always more fun with puppies.
That's true. See, I think this would be way more pretty if I had a tripod shaking like a bull by earthquake. She's sneaking across the raging river. This is called the frog technique. I don't know whose dog that is, but our dogs are stirring him up. Ooh, whoops. I guess that scene wasn't quite PG.